Normally, we get so disappointed in different people, not because those people have failed us, but it's because of our high expectations of particular people. Be it relatives, brothers or sisters, in our relationships with our parents. Sometimes we over expect things that those people in their mind cannot offer us. Normally, people always present to us who they are, what they can offer, what they can be in your life. But because of high expectations, we end up becoming a little bit so disappointed in them. You'll find that in relationships, someone may decide to offer what they feel they can offer you, and then in your mind you have a different target or expectations, and then you end up finding that the person you're with is very much disappointing you. But one thing I have learned as I grow up, we ourselves are the ones who can offer ourselves the best that you yourself think you deserve, not to put it on someone else. That also brings it to loving yourself. You cannot expect someone else to love you if you do not love yourself. That person, only the person you expect adds something to you. That is to add, not to come and give you a whole love. You have to love yourself. Then the person that comes in adds on. So many of us have grown up with so many images painted by Hollywood, and maybe because of a lot of childhood traumas, expectations, we end up dumping our own stress and unmet goals on someone else. And yet that very person also has their own troubles. So let me give an example. You can have a wealthy parent, but because they are wealthy, you assume, you as a child, my parent should do this for me, my parent should do this for me. And yet for your own parent can be like, I am offering this to my child, expecting you to pick up, like they give you the best they can. But also you have to remember, even them, they have their own dreams, goals, plans, and targets. But because of your own imaginations and expectations, you get so disappointed on your parent, and yet your parents assume they have also given you the best they can offer. We be a little bit selfish in our decisions, in our thoughts towards people, forgetting that we ourselves are the ones who can offer ourselves the best. Sometimes in relationships, we over expect so much, and then maybe we overperform for particular people, and then when we don't replicate it back, we feel so much offended. But if we can't see it in a view of that is the best they can offer, if you're not okay with it, you can say, I am not okay with this, I'm not okay with this. You can choose to maybe stay away from a certain, maybe some people that you feel like they don't offer you the standard of something that you feel you deserve. So at the end of it all, it's you to make the choice, who to be around, how to love yourself, without you over expecting others to be giving it to you, and to avoid disappointment. So all in all, we have to lower our expectations to avoid high disappointments. And then we have to look at people and let people be sometimes, especially our relatives. You can have a very wealthy parent, a wealthy sister, a brother, and then you who is not, you start over having your hopes on them, and yet they also have their plans and programs on different things. If they are to help you, they will only give you what they can. But then you over hoping that, since my sister is rich, I have a breakthrough. No. You will always be disappointed, and then we end up hating people for no reason, but when they are actually trying to live and fulfill their own purpose and dreams in life too.